I'm at my friend Annette's house, and she hosted a Stampin' Up Workshop, which we're wrapping things up now. But what I wanted to do is get in close and show you the projects that my amazing students created in this workshop. So I'm just going to pan around. And as you can see, we focused on both Christmas and Halloween. And in my workshops, I give lots of choices. So some students wanted to do more Halloween projects and some students wanted to do more Christmas projects. These little bags here, we made out of the paper pumpkin kit. Okay, and then we also created projects using the Santa's Workshop suite, making Christmas bright stamp set, candy cane season stamp set, and Santa's Workshop designer series paper. Okay, we used doilies. We used embellishments that I cut with my brother Scan and Cut because I like to give a lot of extra embellishments and choices and different kinds of punches and things to the students. Okay, so I know what you're thinking, that Stampin' Up is really color coordinated, and you would be right because all these different cards have great coordination. Because when they color with the blends or with the stamping markers, it coordinates with our papers. So this one here is the Santa's Workshop. And then here are some of the stamp sets we focused on for this workshop. Trick or Treat, Candy Cane Season, which has a coordinating punch with it. Hey, I can see myself in there. Okay, and Signs of Santa, which coordinates with the Santa's Workshop designer series paper, and Making Christmas Bright. Okay, and just in case you're wondering, the workshop was 3 hours long, and that's why everybody got to make so many projects. It was a 3-hour workshop. And we also got to stamp the envelopes and have a lot of camaraderie and meet new people. So, thank you for watching. This is the Paper Chef.